If you want to lock apps with your fingerprint on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the Apps option, and then we have the App Lock over here. So once you open the App Lock, we can turn it on first. Now we need to set up the password that we wanted to use for the App Lock. You can also tap on Change Password in order to use a different password type. So in my case, I'm just gonna connect these dots. We need to enter our password twice in order to confirm and then go next. You can also use your Xiaomi account in order to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. If you forget the password and the Xiaomi account is not linked, then unfortunately you will have to perform the factory reset of the device in order to get the access back. Now, in this case, we have some suggested apps that can be immediately locked, but you can also uncheck them in order to decide by yourself which apps should be locked, and then we can go to use App Lock. And now, if you actually do have the fingerprint sensor set up on your phone already, then you can verify yourself with the fingerprint sensor immediately over here, and if you do so, the fingerprint will be instantly enabled for the App Lock. However, if you, for example, set up the fingerprint sensor later on after setting up the App Lock, then we can tap on the setting icon afterwards in the upper right corner if you go to the App Lock. And then in here we have the fingerprint unlock options. We can tap over here and then verify ourselves, and now we can use the App Lock with the fingerprint. So if I lock any of these apps that I have over here, if I try to open them, I can use my fingerprint. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.